So you want to find your art style? Today, I'm going to show you how to find your art style using 3 easy steps. It doesn't matter if you are a traditional artist or digital artist or even an IBIS Paint user like me. Most of the time some artists have the problem of not sticking into one style. They constantly change their art style, while some artists stick to only one style and pursue it till their death. So the question is, who is right and who is wrong? The answer is there is no right or wrong. Art is something beautiful and there's no right way to do it. It's a way of conveying our emotions and experiences throughout the years. This video is for those who want to have a style, but it's not always necessary to have a style. Speaking from experience, I have tried so many art styles such as realism, anime, Disney, and even highly stylized art styles. All it did was gave me more experience and understanding of shading and other elements in drawing. So if you feel like you want to focus and have an art style right now, this video will be useful to you. Let's start by doing the first step, which is research. We are going to do some research to find your preference. And what kind of artworks or pictures you like. I recommend using Pinterest or Instagram to do this. What we are going to do is make a new pin on Pinterest and save all the pictures and arts that you like. These 2 apps are great for finding references and getting ideas. Next we are moving on to the second step, which is analyzing the images that we saved. We are going to write down what we like about each art and what it makes us feel. It can be lighting, shading, eyes, or the art style. Next we are going to see if this matches our skill level. If it doesn't, now you know what you should improve on to attain your art style. There will be the specific things that you are going to practice to improve. If the artworks that you saved are highly stylized, try to find out what fundamentals are behind on that art style. This is something that you should take time and do slowly. Next we are moving on to the last step, which is planning. Build up a list of skills that you need to improve on and practice, and try to tackle each problem over time. Don't forget to do more research on internet, cause that will help you more. Remember, the art style is always within you. Every stroke you draw, every line, it's unique and done by you. This is just a guide to help you more with that. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more helpful content like this.